Life is divided into three terms: that which was, which is, and which will be. Let us learn from the past to profit by the present, and from the present to live better in the future. William Wordsworth. When did the Elizabethan era take place? 1558 to 1603, অর্থাৎ 1558 থেকে 1603 পর্যন্ত এলিজাবেথান এরা সময়কাল। The Comedy of Errors is a comedy. Eyre is written by Charlotte Bronte. What was the great age of English novel? Victorian era. The author of Frankenstein is Mary Shelley. Mary Shelley is the wife of Percy Bysshe Shelley. Which writer born in Portsmouth? Charles Dickens. Who is or are American writer? Mark Twain, John Steinbeck, আর্নেস্ট হেমিংওয়ে। এরা সবাই আমেরিকান রাইটার, তাই উত্তর হবে অল। হু ওয়াজ এ ক্রাইম রাইটার? অগাথা ক্রিস্টি। হু ইজ দ্য ইংলিশ মডার্নিস্ট রাইটার? ভার্জিনিয়া উলফ। J.K. Rowling is a famous children fiction writer. I weep for Adonis. He is dead. Who is dead? Keats. Alice in Wonderland is a book of novel. Who wrote Leaves of Grass? Walt Whitman. ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।